What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, in today's video I'm doing a quick luxury unboxing. I have Gucci, Jimmy Choo and Versace. So guys, before we get into this video, please just make sure that you subscribe below if you love luxury unboxings and if you love fashion and lifestyle vlogs. Please make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you hit the bell as well to be alerted every time I post a new video. Yep. So I'm going to start off with Gucci. Oh yes, by the way guys, before I start with this video, I am wearing this cute jumpsuit. It's a mini jumpsuit. I got this from Choo. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'll insert a little picture here. I got this from Choo. I think I actually showed you guys this jumpsuit in my what I got for Christmas video. It's just so stunning, very light, it doesn't feel heavy. Guys, I love it. Anyway, this is my outfit of the day. I'm actually going out with a couple of my friends and hubby, so I just thought I should look cute and also film this video since I got all this makeup done. So I'm going to start with Gucci. I got shoes, guys. I've wanted these for so long, since from the time when they came out, I believe last year or in 2020. But I've just always thought that, I don't know, I thought they looked funny at first, but somehow they just, they grew on me. So I got these platforms. So they initially, released these in the smaller GG, and they came in a variety of colors. There was denim, there was blue, there was gold. I think they have them in pink and red. They have them a variety of colors. And I think last year they released them again in the big GG. I initially saw the big GG on Net-a-Porter, and I remember thinking, you know what, actually, this is the logo that I want. I just fell in love with the big GG as opposed to the small one. So yeah guys, super excited about this new purchase. I think they're stunning. They are actually a little bit heavy. But because it's a platform, you can still make it work, and they are still very, very comfortable, even though they are a little bit heavy. So these are the shoes that I'm actually going to wear today. I think I'm just going to wear these shoes with this jumpsuit and take my Coach bag, because I don't want to do monogram on monogram. So the Coach bags that I have, both my two Coach bags are just super plain. There's no monogram on them, so they usually go with shoes that have monogram. I will show you guys what they look like on. Next up we have Versace. I got these guys on sale. I got these first week of Jan. Versace had a sale. I scored big time. So these were initially 13.9, but I got them for 7K. So Versace. These are just slides. Can you guys see? They're just plain, simple slides. I love them so much. I absolutely love them. They are just simple. Of course, it's one of those things if they're very understated. If you don't know Versace, if you don't know the Versace logo, you wouldn't assume that this is Versace. So I like that about them. They're very understated, yet such a great quality. The leather is very, very I don't know what leather this is, but trust me, it feels good. So I got these in a size 40. I'm not sure if they're still available, guys. Like I said, I got these 2 months ago, so which was beginning of Jan when Versace had a sale. So Versace and Jimmy Choo had a sale, I think first week of Jan. They usually actually have these sales every year, beginning of every year. So if you didn't know, check them out. Beginning of every year, they always have a sale. So yeah guys, I love these. They also had like, you know, a matching belt that, you know, had like, you know, this V, the Versace logo, but I just thought, my Louis Vuitton belt is enough. Like I didn't want to buy like, you know, a matching belt as if I was going to be wearing these all the time. So the belt was also on sale. I think it was on sale from 8K to 3.5. And I also didn't want to just buy for the sake of buying just because, you know, an item is on sale. So yeah guys. Next up we have Jimmy Choo. We have this big bag from Jimmy Choo. Both the items that I got from Jimmy Choo, guys, were also on sale. I'm excited about these shoes because I actually saw them last year, beginning of last year, when Jimmy Choo had a sale, and I was hoping that they were on sale they would go on sale last year, but they didn't. I wanted them from that time, but I couldn't bring myself to buying these like, you know, on normal price. I think these were like 5K when I got them, but the full price, I believe they were 14, 15, somewhere there, guys. Jimmy Choo, like, you know, I promise you, like, you know, their sales are crazy. Like their sales are crazy. Look at that. Can you guys see? Okay, let me see. Can you guys see that? I just actually switched off my ring light just so that, you know, you guys get to see, like, you know, the pattern nicely. Do you guys see that? I love, like, you know, the touch of orange. I love, like, you know, touch of orange on the heel as well, guys. And the nice thing, guys, with Jimmy Choo is honestly, they make the most comfortable shoes ever. Like 95% of the shoes that they make, guys, best believe they are super comfortable. They also have these beautiful, you know, nice loafers, you know, that can easily be worn for, you know, to the office with formal wear. Those shoes were originally 8K and they had gone down to 2.6. Unfortunately, I didn't have a size. Like, this is just to show you guys, like, you know, that, you know, their prices, like when they have a sale, their sales are massive. Like, they don't play. From 8K to 2.5. I wanted that shoe, but unfortunately, size 7, 6, 7 was not available. I'll see if I can find a picture of the shoe and maybe you can just, you know, go in store and try your luck. I think they're still having that clearance sale. I'm not sure though, but yeah, you know, you can always go in store, just, you know, try your luck just to see if, you know, they're still running the sale. So guys, I am super obsessed. I can't wait to style these, like, you know, in the winter time or even, like, you know, at night when I go out, like, you know, date night vibes. I cannot wait. These are just so stunning and very comfortable. These are also on sale, like I said. Another shoe, guys, you will not believe. Now, these boots, the normal price of these boots, guys, I believe they were 22K. I got them for under 5K. Crazy. So I got these for winter. I'm not going to wear them anytime soon, of course. Like, you know, I'm going to wait for like proper winter to hit. Can you guys see? Guys, the heel is very comfortable. This is what, snake print, snake skin, snake print, and they just have, like, you know, that Jimmy Choo thing there, and the zipper as well just has Jimmy Choo. Very understated brand. I love their shoes. Very comfortable, guys. These shoes, guys, I love these. I love the touch of brown and black, because both colors are super neutral, especially for winter. They can easily be, you know, styled with any color. Brown, a touch of brown and a touch of black. the most beautiful combination. And the shoe itself, guys, is just so stunning. And the heel point, I think I'm just certainly going to leave in these, like, you know, the whole of winter, the whole of June. And the fact that, guys, they were on sale from 22k to under 5k. Who wouldn't buy them? Like, when I saw them, I was like, no, there's no way I'm leaving these behind. There is no way I'm leaving these behind. They are so stunning. I actually had to size up in these because in winter I always wear, like, you know, thick socks. So I thought that, you know, my normal size 40 wouldn't be as comfortable, especially when I wear thick socks. So I went the upper size. So guys, there you go. I am honestly very excited about all these purchases, but these shoes, guys, do you see these and these Versace's? Obsessed, guys. Wow, obsessed. I think these were, like, you know, a Best Buy, guys. And the fact that they were on sale and they actually had, like, you know, the last 40 on the floor. This is a size 40, size 7. This is my size. This was the last pair that they had on the floor, and then they had like a couple of size 6, size 5, and I think a size 4. But in size 7, this was the last one, and obsessed. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do comment below. Let me know which of the 4 items that I've shown you guys is your favorite. Guys, please, these sales, like, you know, remember the sale. Jimmy Choo, Versace, Burberry, they go on sale beginning of every year. Sometimes even, like, you know, after June, like, you know, they could potentially go on sale like twice a year. Jimmy Choo, I think it goes on sale twice a year, beginning of every year, and then again just, you know, after June, like, you know, when winter goes out. I think same with Burberry. So look out for these sales, guys. Honestly, like, you know, I always feel that, you know, you can actually tap into luxury on a budget. You can easily tap into luxury on a budget. You don't have to buy things on normal price. Like, you know, Jimmy Choo, Versace, Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana, they go on sale all the time. So look out for them. Look out for them, and instead of you just, you know, buying something on full price, just wait a little bit, you know, just wait a couple of months just to see if, you know, the item that you want isn't going to go on sale. Gucci, unfortunately, they don't go on sale, so yeah, you just have to buy. Gucci, Louis Vuitton, unfortunately, you just have to buy because they don't go on sale. So guys, let me try these shoes on for you just to show you guys, you know, how they look on. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like I said, please subscribe below and make sure as well to hit the bell. Comment, and, you know, share the video. Give me a thumbs up, you know, give me a thumbs up and share the video with your loved ones. Thank you, guys. I will see you in the next one. Mwah! Stay blessed.